Hey everyone, what's poppin'? It's Darssan and Havish here, and so I set up my brother's school account today, and he was just scrolling and browsing through all the apps he had, and he was looking into them. And what did you do, Havish?
I saw this app.
Yeah, it's Google Earth.
Oh,
I've actually created some projects in Google
oh,
Earth,
it
but
just said Earth, so I had no clue.
oh, you didn't? Yeah.
Okay,
So
what's going on?
he went in there, and he actually made his own project, which I found really cool that he was able to do it. Um, I mean, I did it, and he asked me for help, but I actually told him that I wasn't going to help him, and he ended up making his own project, and so here we are sharing this project with you. So he made his own research, and when I say research, he just looked up on Google some mysterious places, and he pinpointed them on Google Earth, which is
Yeah.
basically provides a 3D shape of our planet, and you can go to different places and do street views, do maps, and all sorts of things. Alright, now I'm gonna let my brother present his
Okay, so
project.
let me present it.
Click
There you
present.
go. Much better. And
Alright,
first we have in line is the Bermuda Triangle, which is a triangle where if ships, airplanes go, they disappear. They disappear into the ocean.
yeah,
We
they just
still
somehow
haven't
disappear.
scientists still haven't discovered where they go.
So, let's see where it is. We should actually see
Yeah,
if we can zoom in.
we
There are
have
some
to.
pictures up here, and here's a small version of the globe telling us where we are right now. So we seem to be right below Florida right now,
Yep.
and yeah, there are
The
the
Bahamas.
Cuba, the Bahamas,
So
and
and
there's the
fun fact,
Bermuda.
there's even a Bermuda island.
Yeah, there's the Bermuda Island right there, and the Bermuda Triangle basically is this triangle shape or region of this ocean.
I mean, I
All
see
right,
it right there. It's a triangle.
we do. I think that's just a glitch on
Oh,
the Earth. All right, let's go to the next one, Havish. What do you have next?
okay. Next up in line, Snake Island.
Snake Island.
Yeah, it's an island in Brazil. That's right.
And by the
Tiny
way,
island.
we forgot to mention, don't go to these places unless you want to disappear. It's all I can suggest.
I mean, if you go to Snake Island, you will be snake meat.
Yep, you'll be snake meat. Good one. So it's an island in Brazil,
Yep.
and it has really dangerous snakes.
Yep.
So let's see how far we can zoom in to this island. So
It's not.
a lot of
It's not there.
trees.
It's only. Yeah.
Since not a lot of people go there, we don't have street views, it seems. Oh, see if that's an option. Sure. There you go. See, no street view data is available here. And they have a place right there. And so that's basically it.
What's that tiny thing?
So now let's look at some photos.
And it's just that same photo, I guess. Oh, never mind.
Yeah. I would tell you what type of snake that is if I knew what it was, but I don't. So let's just go to the next one. Here's the island. Kind of looks like a snake, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That just ate a rabbit.
It actually looks more of like a sea eel.
No,
but-
it looks like a snake that just ate a rabbit.
Oh, okay. That's a rabbit in its belly. Makes sense. Mountains and trees. So yeah.
Wait, go back to that.
Cool
Other
features.
photos. Go back. It looks. Is someone standing up there?
No. I think just a tree. Okay, let's go to the next spot.
Okay. Next is Amazon rainforest.
Yeah, we all know this Amazon rainforest.
Yep.
I mean, we all probably know Amazon Prime, but here's Amazon rainforest.
Yep.
The forest in Brazil. Two mysterious places in Brazil. First one was the Snake Island. Now we have Amazon
There's kind of
rainforest.
another one too. It's kind of
We just had to see trees when we zoom in.
Yeah.
Let's see if there is
Shows
street view
birds.
data anywhere.
Nope.
No data is available there. But let's go and check out the photos. It's a parrot, I think. Is that a leopard or cheetah?
I don't really know.
So yeah.
Hmm.
Alright, let's go to the next place now, shall we?
I like more than a jungle.
Next in line, what do we have, Havish?
I think we have the Area 51. Yep, Area 51. An air base in Nevada. You can stand next to the wall. No, you can stand next to the wall, but if you go in, military may shoot you.
They might. They will warn you, but they probably won't shoot you. So Area 51 is an air base in Nevada where people say that they have UFOs and aliens in there, which I believe is not true.
Yeah, me too.
I believe that Area 51 is just a cover-up for a place that is somewhere else.
No, I think Area 51 is, there's no aliens, but there's UFOs, because it says air base.
Okay. Alien Center. So they have a coffee store for aliens right there. I'm kidding. Wait, why do they have basketball hoops in Area 51? Oh well.
Is that an apartment next to it? Or?
I don't know. Look at that spot. Okay,
Yeah.
I feel like we might have street view options in Area 51. Let's see. Place this dude on the road.
Nope.
No, nothing right there. How about there? Nope.
Oh, wow.
How about 3D?
Oh,
that's
yes.
cool. We can zoom in as much as the satellite could.
There's an airplane right there, huh?
Yeah, there's an airplane right there. Poor thing, it's all by itself.
Yeah. Good thing it didn't
All
have
right,
light.
let's go to the next one, Havish.
I really don't know what's that. Oh, I think it's Blood Falls. Yep.
Blood Falls, yep.
Glacier Antarctica.
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 It's actually a cool looking fall, isn't it?
Yeah, I really don't like it.
It does look pretty bloody down there.
Look,
oh, you can actually see it right there.
It's right there.
There's blood right there. So let me tell you what's going on there. It's actually a mixture of iron oxide and salt water. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be dangerous to swim in.
Yeah,
because iron oxide is rust. So you know that rust that forms on your old bike if you let it out in the rain and the sun after that. So this water is completely filled with iron rust. So it's going to be pretty dangerous.
Yeah.
So let's click on 3D and see.
I thought I was swimming in that. Thank you for
Look at
warning
that.
me. Thank you for warning me.
He was thinking about swimming in that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for
Cool.
warning me.
Any street view options anywhere?
No.
Let's see if we can drag them in.
No.
Right there. Nope, no street views
No.
in a mysterious place either. Alright, Havish, what do you got next?
I forgot. The Crooked Forest in Poland.
Oh, I have not heard of this. Oddly, oh, the Crooked Forest.
Yeah. Where the
Okay, I
trees-
heard this was because. Do you know why?
Yeah.
Why is it?
Because when trees get the grow by the sun, and it moves to the sun. It's like the sun. Hey, the sun's going there. Let's go there. Hey, the sun's going there. Let's go there.
Okay,
Hey, the
yeah,
sun's
it's
going
just
there, let's
growing
go there.
towards where the sun is. So that's basically the explanation. And those branches are pretty crooked. Okay, there better be a street view option for this forest right
Because
here.
there's a million cars.
Whoa, what am I doing? Alright. Oh, okay. So if we place him on a blue spot, that should give us a street view.
There's a sweet view.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool?
Oh.
Thank you to Daniel SZYSZ for the street view. Oh, look at that tree.
Look at that crooked one.
It's pretty crooked right there.
Yep.
Oh,
there.
a lot of crooked trees.
Yeah.
For some reason, just the bottom is crooked. Pretty cool, hey?
Yep.
Alright, what do we got next?
I forgot. I really forgot. Jurassic Grass Crater, also known as the Door to Hell.
The door to hell?
And please don't jump in there because I don't know if you're going down to hell or up to hell.
I mean, if you do plan on jumping in there, I hope you go to heaven.
Yeah.
That's all I can say, but do not plan on jumping in there.
But what's that blue colored thing? I didn't
It
notice.
just looks like,
lakes.
I think it's water. Yeah.
That
Alright,
looks like a volcano.
let's see if we have 3D
That looks like a volcano.
street views. Nope, no street views anywhere around here. How about 3D?
It looks so flat.
That mountain's just flat.
It looks like a piece of paper.
Let's look at some pictures. Wow.
No, people have been there.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a street view.
That really does look like the door to hell, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, that's
That's really
cool.
cool stuff.
What are the lights? Oops.
So it's a gas crater.
I know.
There's a lot of deadly gases in
Fuel.
there.
It's an oil field.
It's a natural gas field collapsed into the camera near Urvaza. And I could do more info, but it will take me to Wikipedia.
It also says gates
So,
of hell.
yeah.
Gates of hell.
All right, let's go to the next one.
I forgot.
What do you have?
Easter Island, huh?
Yeah, Easter Island.
I have no clue who created those flocks.
Egg-laying bunnies are there. Did you know that? There are egg-laying bunnies.
I think
And
they
in that egg,
created those rocks.
egg-laying bunnies,
I think they created those rocks. I think they made them.
they made it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I still don't know.
And this is mysterious because people don't know how those sculptures got there. And those sculptures are pretty humongous. Let's see if there's a person to sculpture comparison somewhere. Nope. Nothing I
Some are
can find.
broken. Go back. I saw them broken.
Yeah, look at those. Those are pretty cool stuff.
I know. And that's the
And
host.
respect to all the people who made it.
And
Okay.
who made it?
So let's do 3D here as well.
And even scientists don't know.
And maybe we can... Nope, there are no places.
I think there are places.
Oh, wait. Look
wow.
at that. See if we have...
Thanks to who?
Thanks to... Let's see who we have to say thanks to now.
Grid Pacific.
Grid Pacific.
Are they in a car?
Yeah, they actually have the camera tied to their car. I don't see any stones here.
Yeah, me too.
I can't even move.
Wait, is one of those cows? Go up.
Global Reach Initiative.
No, go up. No,
Yeah?
I think I saw some cows.
Cows? Where?
Or,
I don't think they're
those are
cows.
stones.
They're not stones. They're just cut trees.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I can't seem to move on this road, so let's go to the next one. Oh, we just did. But yeah, we saw the picture, so let's go to the next one. What do we have
The
next?
Great Blue Hole.
The Great Blue Hole. Never heard of that before.
Me too.
Tourist
It's a
attraction in Belize. Giant marine sinkhole off the coast of Belize. Center of lighthouse reef.
I really
That's
don't
pretty
see.
cool.
I really don't see any water
That's a
here.
cool looking place.
I really don't see any water here.
Me neither. But the pictures show water.
Oh, there it is.
Or is this entire thing water? I mean, there's water over there. Oh, so... I am stunned. I do not know what this is.
Me too.
Marine sinkhole. I see that it's a sinkhole, but what's in there? Maybe we can do 3D to figure it out. Nope,
Never mind.
we can't.
Is there any?
Let's just go out and look at some
Street
pictures, because
data?
we have to know what's down here.
Me too.
Are there any pictures?
I think so.
There it is. There's water. Oh, okay, so I think that beneath this water there's a really huge circle-shaped crater, maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe. Just seems one person did all these photos.
I know.
Alright, let's go to the next one. One more. We're gonna go to the number 10. Lake Hillier. Now we're gonna go all the way to Australia.
Bubblegum water.
Lake Hillier. Bubblegum colored water, huh?
No, it's bubblegum pink water.
Islets. Largest of islands and islets. That's cool. Okay, so,
But it's pink.
yeah. But
Wait,
do you know what
look
an
at
islet
3D.
is?
No,
You know what an island is?
I do know what's an island, but I don't know what's an island.
So what is an island?
An island is like a small island, like
No, like a
Hawaii,
land in the middle of
a
water.
small land.
So islet is the opposite of an island. Or I guess I should call it islet. So
Yeah.
an islet is water in between land. Pretty cool thing.
Middle island.
Whoa, maybe people scuba dive in there. Let's see if we can find street view again. Nothing.
I
Oh
don't,
man.
I think
I really
that's
wanted to go
acid.
scuba diving in this water.
I don't think that.
Let's just go look
I
at
think
some
that's
pictures.
acid. I don't think you
Acid?
can swim in there.
I don't think that's acid. Just chemistry happening. Maybe sunlight reflects different over there.
Never mind. There are people. I think they swim in there.
Yeah. Oh well, that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, because if you didn't notice here, we still got 12 more places that we're hiding from you.
Yep.
And if you need to know them, we will be making a part 2, and you better turn those bell notifications on.
Yep.
Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.